Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Da Nang, Vietnam. Guess what? The alien's back, guys. The alien's back, and also we've got the red bear, guys. The red bear in the house. So the alien's back. I know a lot of you guys out there missed the bear. So, just an update what's going on with me before we jump into the content. We got lots to talk about. We got to talk about there's a huge meeting that's going to happen on February 14th. That's Monday, U.S. time. And this could have a big impact on the crypto markets, the broader markets. We're going to talk about what that is. We're also going to talk about the geopolitical situation, what's going on with that. And we're also going to be talking about, what the whales are doing when it comes to Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and what we can expect in the short term to long term for cryptocurrency. So if that sounds interesting, get ready, buckle up, guys, because it's going to be a barn burner. And the alien in the house says, I love you guys, and the alien's back. Glad to be back. And we've also got the OG Mug the Mug in the house, guys. So pick up the mug, get the merch, guys. It's a great time to be alive. So I'm excited. So basically, we moved back to Da Nang, back to our house here in Da Nang. So that's fantastic. Here on the 23rd floor, overlooking the ocean. It's a beautiful. We got the Hilton behind us right over there. So what's going on with that? So yeah, we finished up with opening the hotel. It's all running smooth. The staff are in charge. So hopefully things are going to be going uppity up in terms of that. So without any further delay, guys, remember this video is not financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing his opinion. And this channel is about educating you guys about spreading love, about spreading the good vibe. So if you guys are feeling the love and feeling the good vibe, go down there, smash the likes, and let's get it, guys. So let's go and into the markets right now. So you guys all know that we got this whole Debbie Downer, geopolitical thing that's, it could be escalating, it could not be escalating, it could be FUD, it could be not FUD. So, and this is causing, most of the broader markets to go down, down. So you guys can see that the markets just took it a tank, guys. And that took down most of the cryptocurrency is coming down with it. So, but we got some good news. We got some good news coming as well in this video. So you guys are going to have to stay tuned for that. So, all we can do is take a wait and see attitude. It looks like, the White House had a 1 hour phone call with Putin in the house. And we don't know what they talked about. Who knows what's going on? But, this is we're really what's driving the markets right now is a lot of fear, guys. And speaking about fear and greed in the house, we're seeing that the fear and greed, it's not too shabby. It's not too shabby. Remember, we got Super Bowl weekend coming as well. And when we're talking about Super Bowl weekend, there's going to be a lot of catalysts out there. We've got 6 Super Bowl ads tomorrow that are going to be coming out. That's, and they're going to be featured FTX, which is crypto. We're going to be feeding Crypto.com, which is crypto. Coinbase, eToro. eToro is kind of, it's kind of like a Robinhood, right? I'm not shilling for eToro, but the difference between eToro and Robinhood is that you do have your crypto wallets for some crypto, and I believe it's like Ethereum and Bitcoin. I think right now you can actually move that off of their platform onto their crypto wallet. Then you have to move it from there to your wallet. But the problem with eToro is the fees are like cuckoo, right? They've got the spread between the actual price and what their price is. So the spread there is kind of a fee structure. And then if you send it to your wallet, there's a fee. And then send it to their proprietary wallet. And then from their proprietary wallet to your wallet, there's a fee. So basically, if you move your crypto off eToro, you're paying like 3 fees to get it out of there. To get it out of there, guys. So, they do have their crypto wallets, right? That's true. That's true beans in the house. But you got to pay for it. You got to pay for it. It's like PayPal. PayPal, you can buy crypto on PayPal in the UK, I believe. But the thing is, you're going to pay cuckoo fees. Like insane fees. You'd be better off just going to a centralized exchange like Binance, FTX, or whatever, Crypto.com, because you're gonna get feed up the yin yang, guys. So when all is said and done, the fees like 3 to 5%. It's like crazy, right? So BitBuy is also going to have a Super Bowl commercial and Bud Light, and they're going to be featuring their NFTs. So this is huge. There's going to be millions and millions of people watching the Super Bowl, and that is going to put crypto in mainstream, and people are going to be watching it. So this could add to the adaptability, the utility of it, guys. So let's take a look at the alien. Come on, alien. We need the alien in the house to send these markets green. And we're seeing that we basically got the Debbie Downer burn. Also, let's get some positive green in the house, and don't forget to get the mug. We're seeing Bitcoin is down. We're seeing Ethereum is down. It basically a landslide. BNB is up. That's kind of weird beans in the house. We got Bitcoin dollars going through the roof, and that just goes to prove that there's a bit of a bloodbath when it comes to the altcoins. So right now, the big news that's coming out right now is we got the crypto market braces for a volatile week ahead of Fed's emergency meeting. So as you guys know, that we got this 6.5 interest rate. It's like worse than ever. The interest rate, we haven't seen this kind of huge Debbie Downer interest rate for like 40 years. So this is really, making a lot of people jitterish. So because of that, basically Jeremy Powell wet the bed and he said, hey, we're going to have an emergency meeting on Valentine's Day. We love you too, Jeremy Powell. Happy Valentine's Day, buddy. And they're going to have the unscheduled meeting, and that's also scaring a lot of the institutional traders. It's also putting more downward pressure on the crypto. We've got the geopolitical situation happening. People are getting out of town, of Ukraine out of there. So, we got all this stuff going, and it's just creating a whole, kibashi event. I'm just trying to be funny, okay? So, basically, U.S. Federal Reserve is set to hold an unscheduled meeting on Monday to discuss interest rates, described by some as an emergency meeting and others a fairly regular occurrence. So, keep in mind that, the Fed Reserve will often have emergency meetings, but I think we're going to see that there's going to be a rate hike, which is going to be earlier than March. I think they're going to come out with a rate hike because basically inflation is out of control and they don't have a clue what to do. They don't have a clue what to do. I mean, you know what I mean? We're seeing that the cost of consumer goods, groceries, gasoline, everything is going up, guys, and we're not seeing salaries going up, and we're not seeing too many people going back to work. So, when things go up and people don't have money, it creates a gap, right? And the people that get hurt the most on this gap is the little guy. If you're a multimillionaire, you don't give a hoot, right? Like, who cares? Okay, I gotta pay another $1 for a loaf of bread. I don't care. I'm a millionaire. I can take it. But when people are living check to check and barely making ends meet, and we got ends like we got the meat ends like huge. It's tough, right? You know what I mean? Because it means that when things go up, they got a penny pinch. It means they gotta sacrifice, right? So that's the little guys feeling the pinch right now because of the inflation rate. So somebody's got to do something about it. And I don't believe that increasing the rates, it's not gonna do a thing. And it's just going to get worse to the little guy out there. So this is going to create a whole Debbie Downer situation. The market's going to tankity tank. We're going to see crypto go down, down, like the Titanic. Like the Titanic. Like DiCaprio is going to be, letting go of that piece of wood. And he's going to be sinking down to the bottom of the ocean out there. So that's coming in. So as we know, market wrap up, cryptocurrencies and stocks dropped as we got this geopolitical tensions going there. We got our buddy Putin in the house. So I don't, I just think it's a lot of fluff. I also think that the mainstream media is creating some FUD over this, and I don't think anything's gonna happen, guys. It's just it's just kind of like. It's just fluff, guys. It's just fluff. So, technical indicators are mainly neutral right now for Bitcoin and showing support at the $35,000-$40,000 level. And we got resistance 46. We all know that because we've been going up there a couple times. We got rejected, right? So, but the fear and greed is still the same. So I don't know what people are talking about. I don't know what people are worried about. And where's my biddy? Where are my biddy? So if I take a look at my biddy right now on the weekly, right now we got 21 hours left on this weekly candle, and it's kind of like we don't know if it's going to be a green candle or a red candle. It's kind of right now we're kind of like in that zone. So we had a high this week of 45,800, so 46,000, let's call it. And then we had a low of 41,663, and right now we're at 42,044. So, we're getting pretty close in the house for this to turn green. So we need to hit 42,417 for us to close this candle green. So we're still right now above my horizontal support, which is still holding support. We're well above the 21,000 minor capitulation line. And as you guys know, if you've been watching that channel, my channel, You better be watching the channel. And if you're watching for the first time, hit the subscribe button right now. Do it. And don't forget to like this content, because I love you guys. And the alien in the house also love you guys like crazy. The alien's glad to be back on the air. To get the alien out there. And so, this is the white line is the cost line, where we see that it costs the miners about 21K to mine a Bitcoin. So if the price drops below that, then they're going to sell their biddy. And if they sell their biddy, it's not going to be good. That could push Bitcoin down to like 15K, 18, 19K in the house. So we've also got this purple line. People are like, wait, gee, what's the purple line? That's the 35,000, 36,000 line. If we stay above that, it means that the selling pressure is not going to be too intense, right? So that's what that's all about. So right now, the Bitcoin price is still looking good, guys. Wendy Trendy is your friendly. Zoomy out. I think things are still looking good. What we're seeing, or the reason we're seeing most of this price deflation, I like that. Price deflation out there is because of this geopolitical situation that's causing the kibosh. We got Jeremy Powell wet in the bed. They're going to have an emergency meeting on Monday. They're going to increase the rates. Wall Street are going to go cuckoo. They're going to drop their high risk positions, take cash on the side, and wait for clearer blue skies. That's what's going to happen. So. And then we got the Super Bowl this weekend, so it's pretty quiet. People thinking about football, not thinking about anything else and all. So that's what's going on. So there's my Debbie Downer bro, Jeremy Powell in the house. Congratulations for ruining Valentine's Day, and we're going to push the markets down, guys. So yeah, it is what it is. We got our friend Putin in the house. Hello. And we know what's going on with the geopolitical tensions. Biddy right now is trading at 42,269. I'm not worried about it too much. Let's give this about 7 days, and the whole news cycle will wash out. Everything will be back to normal, and then we're going to get ourselves above 45,000, because we got some huge resistance above 45,000. That's all there is to it. Not much more to say about that. Weekly, we're about 250 bucks out of confirming a green candle for the week. If we can confirm a green candle, that's good. And we did get danger close to breaking above the 21-day EMA. That's bullish, guys. I do not believe that this bull run is still ongoing, and this is just a micro bear cycle, guys. So don't worry about it. So Bitcoin on-chain data hints as institutions deploy capital at the expense of holders. So this is from Willy Woo, right? And what he's really saying is that we're still seeing that the institutional whales are still buying up Bitcoin like crazy, and a lot of this FUD that we're seeing right now is being, it's the whales, guys. And the whales are trying to shake out the retail investors because they want to buy the Bitcoin cheap. Because, like I said, 90% of the biddy out there has been mined. It's already out in the wild, guys. And most of that's been snapped up, snapped by the whales out there. And the whales are holding on to the biddy like crazy. And they're creating some, FUD situations. And, okay, the geopolitical situation, it's not good. But what's happening is mainstream media, they're being paid by the whales to laser focus on that time and time again. Crypto's going down. It's like a broken record, right? So guys, we're seeing that a lot of the short-term holders, they're wet in the bed. And we're seeing that the whales are accumulating like crazy, guys. So and this is what Willy Woo is saying is this view is supported by coins moving away from exchanges to cold storage, right? And who's doing that? It's the whales. Meanwhile, whales who hold more than 1,000 BTC, 45 million, are accumulating. This hints at institutional money is deploying capital. So what is happening is institutions are buying up the Bitcoin. Why? It's still cheap, guys. And that means that we're seeing coins moving to and from whale holders, guys. So the retail investors, they're panicking out there. They're panicking. And they're exiting the market, and that is leaving the whales to buy more Bitcoin. I am buying Bitcoin. This is not financial advice, guys. It never is. And we can see here that the Bitcoin whale addresses are on a buying spree, guys. So even though BTC could dip following the stock market crash, there are signs that long-term holders find the current price to be a good entry point. So, 42,000, 43,000, for the whales is a good entry point. They know something. They know something. They know something. And the summer is going to be the huge springboard. And we're going to see $100,000 biddy coming in. And, if you're not holding Bitcoin, if you're not holding Ethereum, you guys are going to miss the boat, guys. You guys are going to miss the boat. So, if we look at the current price targets, it looks like researchers at OKX said that Bitcoin would need more time to consolidate ahead, given the recent rejections at 46,000 and deviation from its 20-day moving average are shown in the chart below. Nonetheless, reclaiming 46K would likely have BTC price test 50,000. So if we can get the biddy past 46K, and we came pretty close, guys. We came gingerly close, right? Only about 4 or 5 days ago, and that would confirm a $50,000 Bitcoin coming in. Yes, it would. So the whales absolutely know something, guys. So wake up. Also some other good news right now is U.S. Treasury suggests miners won't be subject to IRS reporting. So stakers and miners, this whole infrastructure bill, the definition of the broker, that whole thing, right? So it looks like that miners and stakers are not going to be considered brokers. So they don't have to report the earnings, guys. They don't have to report tax. So this is cool beans, guys. And the miners are loving it. It's a heyday for miners. So this is really bullish, guys. This is absolutely bullish news. So I'll repeat, U.S. Secretary, U.S. Treasury Department is in a letter sent to a group of senators on Friday signed that signal that crypto miners and stakers won't face tax reporting obligations. This is huge, guys. This is absolutely huge for the miners and the stakers out there. So other stuff is Intel confirms its crypto mining plan. Uber repeats its crypto intentions, and more news. So Uber said that they're going to be looking at crypto, and riders will be able to use crypto as payments, guys. So this is cool. Intel is going to be making a new chip. And this is going to be a low power chip. They've already signed with Jack Dorsey already for Square, which is now Block, guys. So Jack is going to get into creating mining rigs. So this is huge, guys. So we got Intel that's aping in. They're going to be making the chips, guys. Already Dorsey, and Block has already signed Intel. It's a done deal. So Intel is going to be creating a low power mining chips. That's going to be huge, guys. So some other stuff that's coming in. Don't worry, we're going to be getting into Dogecoin, Shibi Weeby. Over the last few weeks, we have seen a massive influxes from Will Clemente in the house. So we're seeing a whole bunch of stable coins moving back on exchanges. Honestly, I'm not sure what to make of it, but perhaps it's dry powder on the standby. So we're seeing a huge influx of stable coins on exchanges, and the only reason we get a whole bunch of stable coins coming on exchanges is because people are preparing, deploying cash, so when Bitcoin dips, Bitcoin stays where it is, that once this geopolitical situation finishes, they're going to be wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, buying up the biddy, buying up Ethereum, buying up the Doge Wozher, the Shibi Weeby, and all of crypto, they're going to go on a buying spree, guys. They're just waiting for that signal confirmation, which I think is going to be coming after the Super Bowl. We're going to see that the crypto is going to go up like crazy, guys. I swear to you, guys. And the alien in the house also is telling you newbies out there, you Nancys out there, that things are going up, guys. And if you guys are planning on panic selling right now, this is not financial advice. It's dumb. That's all I got to say about that. So if you guys plan on panic selling right now, congratulations. I'm buying your Bitcoin cheap. Thank you very much. The whales would like to thank you. All the experienced investors out there would also like to thank the wet Nancys. Thank you. We just picked up your coin on the cheap, guys. So this is from Lunar Crush in the house, and this is the Dogecoin social sentiment right now. So it's not looking good for Dogecoin social sentiment. Social volume is down. Social engagement is down. Yada yada. Bullish sentiment is like out of there. So people are not loving the Shibi Weeby, and the number of top influencers have gone down right now. So this is just momentary relapse. People are losing their mind because they're focused on the Super Bowl. They're looking at the geopolitical out there, and that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. So the holders, 52 in the money, 4 at neutral, 44% out of money. Bitcoin correlation is dropping. The signals are mostly bearish, not so good. We're seeing that Dogecoin, a little bit of positivity out there is at 14. 1, 14, 4, 3, 4, 4. That's a lot of 4s, guys. And 4 is not a lucky number in Asia, just FYI, in case you don't know that. So we had this whole cup and handle pattern. It's still in play. As far as I can see, it's still in play. We still have the handle still forming. There's still a possibility that we could see an upside to 20 cents once the Super Bowl is finished. I'm still believing it. You should believe it. It's not financial advice, so don't worry about the doji. And right now, we're seeing that the wreckage out there is light. It's only 121 million people got wrecked, guys. Don't leverage. The leverage rate haven't been too much. Haven't been aping too much. We're seeing that in overall, most of the positions that are getting wrecked out there is a long position. So this is probably, we're seeing, we had all this short positions. Now we're going after the long positions, and the market makers are just manipulating the market like crazy. Don't worry about it. And if you look at Shiba Weeby right now, Shiba Weeby is broken down, down. We went all the way up to 35. We've gone all the way down. We're creating this whole descending triangle pattern here. And I think we could be breaking out. We got this whole descending triangle pattern here. The apex is around about here. So if we can confirm a breakout, then we could see some positive action. Don't expect much from the Shiba Weeby until after Super Bowl. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum also has broken down as well. This is due to the Russia thing. So we've got this trend line going here, and then from here we're kind of going in this kind of direction here, right? We could maybe make something from here, and we got this kind of apex here. It kind of looks something kind of like this, right? 3 touching points here, something like that, and we just fix that up. So let's see. I mean, we could continue going down. We could breach this apex here at around 28.65, and then we could have a course correction to the upside. We got some support at 27.08. Don't expect too much from crypto till after the Super Bowl. Let's keep on keeping on. Phantom is still okay, guys. Even though we've had this massive breakdown from the top side of this resistance here, we have this descending triangle that is going in this direction, and that's going to go. We're being supported. We got some really nice support at 190. So that's okay. Let's keep an eye on that. I think we'll break out the upside pretty soon. Let's keep an eye on that. And Solana in the house is doing pretty much the same thing. We got some really cool bean support around about this level. We're seeing some support around here, guys. We're seeing support around about the 94 cents an hour. So that is acting as the next support level, around about 95 cents in the house. It's our next support level, so I'm not too worried about that. We're just gonna have to see what's going on. We have some resistance now at 103. That was a huge support before, but since we had this Debbie Downer event, it's what it is. So let's take a look at the total market cap in the house right now. Total market cap is 1.93. The volumes are light like crazy. Bitcoin dollars is like cuckoo, 41.59. That just indicates that we're going to see more bleed out on the altcoins. And right now we're seeing that the BIDI right now is at 42,351. We're seeing that. Let me just give this a minty fresh. I don't believe those numbers. I don't believe it. I don't believe the numbers. Come on. Yeah, the numbers are okay. So we're seeing that right now. Bitcoin is at 42,346. That's slightly down. We're seeing Ethereum is at 2,900. We could reclaim 3,000. It's kind of iffy where things are going to go. BNB is in neutral territory at 404. We're seeing ADA is down at 106. We're seeing Solana is up. Solana is down as well at 1.65. Luna is up. That's amazing. That's interesting. It's up 3.82%. So overall, we're seeing red everywhere. Doge is down 1% almost. Everything's looking bad. We got 0. So everything's looking nasty in the house, guys. So with that being said, guys, go and follow me on my get out of there. Go and follow me on my Twitter, guys. We've got about 3,992 followers. guys, who is going to be the 4,000 follower? Get it, go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, and don't forget to check out all the linky winkies. That, remember, this is not financial advice. Become a Patreon member, buy the channel coffee, guys. Check out the merch, guys. Get the merch, guys. Get the merch. Get the merch. You want it? We got the mug right here. We got the live mug in live. The coffee tastes better, guys. Go get the merch. Show some support. Show some love for the OG member. All the merchandise, all the memberships, all goes to charity, guys. And you guys go back and watch those charity videos. And the charity video is actually pinned right here, guys. The last charity video is right here, guys. Dogecoin much while doing only good. Go watch that. There's a huge charity video. You're gonna love it. I love it. And don't forget to go and check out the Wifey's channel, guys. Go over there, subscribe, show some love, guys. So don't worry about it, guys. Things are not that bad. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Woo! Peace out, guys. Be blessed. The alien says we love you, guys. The red bear. Let's turn these markets green, guys, and let's see you in the next one at 7 p.m. Bangkok time. I love it. You love it. Let's get it in the house. Wee!